You clicked on this video for a reason, to watch IT. Welcome to Derry for free in 2025 without sketchy sites or fake streams. I got you, so stay through the full video. I'll show the legit ways people are doing it, how to stack them, and what to avoid. IT. Welcome to Derry streams exclusively on Max, so the trick is getting access to Max without paying out of pocket. First move, use the Max free trial when it's available through partner apps. While Max itself doesn't always show a free trial, you can still find it through Apple TV channels, Amazon Prime Video channels, or some Roku accounts. Sign up there, binge the series, then cancel before renewal. Second move, check carrier and cable bundles. Plans from AT&T, Verizon, or certain internet providers occasionally include Max with select plans or device upgrades. Log into your account portal and see if the perk is listed. It often activates instantly once linked. Third, rotate rewards or credits. Platforms like PayPal Rewards, Microsoft Rewards, or credit card points can be redeemed for HBO/Max gift cards. Redeem those, apply them to your Max account, and you've just covered the cost without spending cash. Pro tip, if you're using an Apple device, check for free Max trials under subscriptions in your settings. Apple occasionally runs 7-day promos quietly through the App Store. Avoid fake Derry full episode sites or links on social media. They're scams built to steal login info or infect devices. Always activate through official platforms only. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the problem and I'll help you out.